Sairam children, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine.
Saira, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are fit and fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Nice to hear that. Now, are you ready for your English class today?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Okay. Did you make the kite that I showed in last video? Did you try to
Yes,
make?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very
I
good.
made it.
Okay, very good. I would like to see from you. Please keep posted on the WhatsApp, and I want to see your kite. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Okay, ma'am.
let us get on with today's English class, and we will begin by chanting Omkaram thrice. So please join your hands. Om. Yes. Sairam children. Now, as you said that you have made the kite already, and you said in the last time that you love to fly kites. Now, for one trivia, I want to tell you, do you know in different parts of our country, India, there are kite flying festivals? There are one full day, one full festival due to this
Yes,
kite
ma'am.
flying. Yes.
Ma'am,
Can
when
you?
I was in Hyderabad, no, so every year we had this kite festival. I think for a week we had. So every day, some cultural
Okay.
programs also in the evening.
Very
And
good.
people
And when
used to
was
fly
that?
whole day.
Any particular time of the year? When was that?
Yes, ma'am. I think it was in August, September, I think, ma'am. I don't remember, but yeah, it's this time only.
Okay, that's wonderful. Very good.
October, I think September, October. Last time when I went on Diwali, so it was there, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. It must be a lot of fun, right?
Yes, ma'am, it was International Kite Flying Festival.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Yes, in Gujarat also during the festival of Uttaran, we have this festival of kite flying. Huge kites, as you said, it is also an international event, and many outsiders, many people from foreign countries also come and take part in this joyride. That is this kite flying festival. They bring different types of kites, and we get to see a wonderful festival over there during Uttaran. And many parts of eastern India also, in Orissa, in Bengal, and maybe Assam and few parts of Tripura also, you see that they fly kites during a particular day in the what to say, in the month of monsoon months, they can say. Have you heard of Rath Yatra in the famous Jagannath temple of Puri, Orissa?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, during the Rath Yatra, that full 1 week also they fly this kite. There is a custom to fly kites during those days also. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we
Okay.
love our kites. We Indians, we have our tradition with flying kites, and we love our kites. And last
Yes,
video
ma'am.
we learned how to make a kite. So
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
talking so much about kite. There must be something related to kite, right? So let
Yes,
us
ma'am.
check out what we have in the class today. You guessed it right. We have something related to kites. Can you see the screen, children? Has the screen loaded?
Yes, ma'am. It has come.
Okay, very good. Now let us see. We will start a new story today. And what is that story called? Let us see. Unit 7, Sundari. Okay. Now, what do you understand by the name Sundari? Can you tell in one word or one line? What is Sundari?
Which is very beautiful.
Yes. And one more thing, what we understand, it is a girl or lady, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the feminine gender, Sundari. And if it is a boy, अगर लड़का होता तो सुंदर. Okay. And if it is a girl gender, feminine gender, it is Sundari. And who is beautiful, we call her Sundari. Very good, you have said correctly. It is indeed about the feminine gender, but it is, you will be surprised to know, it is not any human being. It is a kite. Can you see the picture? Now two pictures are there. Here is one,
Yes,
number
ma'am.
one. Here is number two. Can you tell me what you can see in the picture?
I can see, ma'am, one boy is painting a
Yes,
kite.
yes, very good. You said correctly. And see, the kite is so beautiful, and that long tail it has.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and what is happening
Blue
here?
and green color.
Yes, very good. Good observation. And what is this picture at the bottom? What you can see here?
Here, ma'am, we can see this boy is trying to fly this kite, Sundari, and the dog is chasing.
Yes. What does the dog have in its mouth?
This
The
tail is
tail. Yes, tail of the kite. Tail of this kite, Sundari. Okay, I will tell you this kite's name is Sundari. Okay, because she is very beautiful and she is always smiling. So her name is Sundari. Let us get on to the lesson. I will read first and then I will ask you to read after me. First, you listen to me. Unit 7, Sundari. Sundari was a big red, white, and blue kite. When Bobby made her, she smiled at him. You are beautiful, and I will call you Sundari, he said. One day, Bobby took Sundari to the fair. The band was playing and everyone was smiling. A merry-go-round was playing a happy little tune. It was carrying lots of boys and girls round and round on its wooden animals. Bobby looked for an open space where he could run and fly his kite. Sundari looked too. Out in the grass ran Bobby, holding up his kite as high as he could. Puff! The wind came along. Sundari started to fly up, but she could not go very high. A little dog was holding on to her long tail. It was in his mouth. Okay, has the second page loaded, children? I hope the second page has come.
Yes, ma'am, it has come, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, fine. Bobby shooed the dog away. We'll try again, Bobby said. This time, Sundari leaped up in the air. She tugged hard. Oh, how she wanted Bobby to let go of her string. She gave a big tug. Bobby had to let her go. Whee! Cried Sundari. Now I can fly as high as I please. Okay, so that was the lesson. And children, can you tell me in the second picture what you can see? What you can see in this picture?
Yes, ma'am. I think the Sundari is flying high in the sky.
Yes. Very good. And see, this is a
Yeah.
scene in the fair only.
Yes,
He has
ma'am.
come to a fair. And see, merry-go-round is there, so then tent is there.
Yeah,
Everything is there.
people
People
are
are
there.
yes. And what is Sundari doing? Where is she? Up in the sky.
Smiling.
Yes, she's smiling. Very good. Now let us see what happened. I will ask you to read after me. Okay, can you read? Shall we start? And I will
Yes,
go on
yes.
explaining to you. Unit 7, Sundari.
Unit 7, Sundari.
Yes. Sundari was
Sundari was
a big red,
a big red,
white, and blue kite.
white and blue kite.
Yes. When Bobby made her,
When Bobby made her,
she smiled at him.
she smiled at him.
Yes. So, what is this saying? Sundari is nothing but this beautiful big kite. And this Bobby is this little boy who has made this kite. See, yesterday you also made a kite. So, you can call your kite, give your kite any name also. Okay. So, this boy has made this beautiful kite, big kite. And it was a red, white and blue color kite. And this boy is called Bobby. So, Bobby made this kite and this kite smiled at him. And what did Bobby say? That you are so beautiful, I will call you Sundari. So let us read that. Here I am showing the pointer where you have to start. You are beautiful
You are beautiful,
and I will
and I will
call you Sundari.
call you Sundari.
He said.
He said.
Okay. I have already explained that this kite smiled at him and he called this kite Sundari. Now what happened one day? Let us see. One day,
One day,
Bobby took
Bobby took
Sundari to the fair.
Sundari to the fair.
Okay. एक दिन बॉबी सुंदरी को एक मेले में लेकर गया. फेयर मीन्स अ मेला. Okay. It is a
Yes,
mela. Yes, you know very well. We have talked about in the merry-go-round also. So it
yes.
is a mela. मेले में लेकर गया सुंदरी को. The band was playing
The band was playing
and everyone was smiling.
and everyone was smiling.
Yes, वहाँ पे fair में one band was playing and everyone was smiling. Children, what is a band? Band क्या होता है? Band, it is a group of musicians. Okay?
Yes,
कोई
yes,
ड्रम्स बजाता है, कोई ट्रम्पेट बजाता है, कोई क्या बताए, कोई डिफरेंट डिफरेंट हारमोनियम बजाता है. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जब एक साथ बजते हैं उसको कहते हैं बैंड. It is a group of musicians. Sometimes a group of singers can also form a band. Okay.
yes,
Now
ma'am.
next, a merry-go-round
A merry-go-round
was playing
was playing
a happy tune.
a happy little tune.
It was carrying
It was carrying
lots of boys and girls
lots of boys and girls
round and round
round and round
on its wooden animals.
On its wooden animals.
Yes, we have seen children what a merry-go-round is. वहाँ पे wooden horses होते हैं या दूसरे animals भी होते हैं. It is made of wood and it goes up and round in the merry-go-round. So यहाँ पर भी बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे, boys and girls were sitting on the merry-go-round and they were going round and round. Now next, Bobby looked Bobby looked for an open space where he could run and fly his kite. Sundari looked too. Out in the grass ran Bobby, holding up his kite as high as he could. Yes. Now they came to the fair and Bobby wanted to fly his kite Sundari. So they started looking for open space. Okay? हम जब काइट फ्लाई करते हैं तो ओपन जगह पर जाते हैं ना, या तो छत पे या तो ग्राउंड पे, ओपन जगह पर ही तो हम काइट फ्लाई कर सकते हैं. लेकिन फेयर में क्या होता है, बहुत भीड़ रहती है, बहुत है ना, बहुत बच्चे रहते हैं, बहुत भीड़ रहती है, वहां पे नहीं हो सकता. So they were searching for an open space, एक खुली जगह ढूंढ रहे थे ताकि वो काइट को फ्लाई कर सके. सुंदरी भी ढूंढ रही थी. और इन द ग्रास, बाहर उन्होंने एक ग्रास का मैदान देखा जहाँ पे घास थे, और वहां पे बॉबी ने मतलब तय किया, he decided to fly the kite there. Puff, the wind came along. Sundari started to fly up. But she could not go very high. A little dog was holding onto a long tail. Yes. अभी यहाँ पे क्या है? When they decided that they found an open space, घास पर उनको open space दिखा काइट फ्लाई करने के लिए. Then एक बहुत मतलब हवा का झोंका आया और सुंदरी started to fly. ओके लेकिन वो ज्यादा ऊंचा नहीं उड़ पाई, क्योंकि उसकी जो लॉन्ग टेल है, यहाँ पे देखो, लुक एट दिस बॉटम पिक्चर, उसके टेल को दांत में पकड़ रखा था एक छोटे से पप्पी ने. ओके उसको एक लंबा सा टेल दिखा, और पपीज ऐसे होते जैसे बॉल या कोई ऑब्जेक्ट को अपने मुंह में उठा लेते हैं. हैव यू सीन पपीज डू लाइक दैट? यस. तो इस पपी को ऐसे दिखा और इसने मुंह में इसको पकड़ के रखा, इसलिए सुंदरी ज्यादा ऊंचा नहीं उड़ पाई पहले. तो क्या हुआ फिर? It was in his mouth. Then Bobby shooed the dog away. Yes, Bobby ने कुत्ते को भगा दिया. क्या करते हैं हम जब करके भगा देते हैं, शू शू करते हैं ना, ऐसे भगा दिया बॉबी ने. उसको नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते, उसको पत्थर नहीं मारते, बस उसने ऐसे शू करके भगा दिया. छोटा सा बेबी पपी था, तो तो उसको मारना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, we should not hurt animals. Next, we'll try again.
We'll try again.
Bobby said.
Bobby said.
This time,
This time,
Sundari leaped up
Sundari leaped up
in the air.
in the air.
She tugged hard.
She tugged hard.
Okay, this time क्या हुआ? They decided, Bobby and Sundari, that we will try again to fly the kite. और उसने पपी ने उसका टेल छोड़ भी दिया था और फिर से हवा का झोंका आया तो सुंदरी अब बहुत ऊंचा उड़ने लगी. She tugged hard. ओके, टग यानी ऐसे जर्क देना. आपने देखा है जब काइट फ्लाई करते हैं ऐसे मांजे को ऐसे खींच खींच के ऐसे उड़ाना पड़ता है ना? इसको कहते हैं टगिंग. इसको कहते हैं टगिंग. टग्ड. She tugged hard. सुंदरी ने भी जोर का झटका दिया ताकि वो उड़ सके. Now read. Oh, how she wanted
How she wanted
Bobby to let go
Bobby to let go
of her string.
of her string.
She gave
She gave a
big tug.
big tug.
Bobby had to let her go.
Bobby had to let her go.
ओके, तो यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि जब हवा आई और सुंदरी ऊपर उड़ने लगी तो उसको बड़ा मजा आ रहा था उड़ने में, तो उसने जोर से झटका दिया, जोर से टग किया और बॉबी से पकड़ के रख नहीं पाया और बॉबी से वो सुंदरी छूट गई और वो उड़ने लगी मजे से हवा में. वी शी cried सुंदरी. Read.
Yes, ma'am. We cried Sundari.
Now I can fly
Now I can fly
as high as I please.
as high as I please.
Okay, this is very nice. I wish we all could do like this. Sundari could fly. सुंदरी हाथ से छूट गया बॉबी के और वो बड़ा मजा आया उसको. वो एकदम खुशी से वी करके चिल्लाई और उसने कहा कि नाउ आई कैन फ्लाई एज हाई एज आई प्लीज. तो अब मैं उड़ सकूंगी, जितना ऊंचा चाहे मैं उड़ सकूंगी. ओके, so did you like the story?
Yes, ma'am, very much.
Yes. 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 We wish we all could be like Sundari, the kite Sundari, and we could fly as high as we could.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next we will come to the new words. We will do this fast. Okay. Repeat after me the new words. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Next is band.
Band.
Third is wooden.
Wooden.
Then is space.
Space.
Next is shoot.
Shoot.
Then leaped.
Leaped.
Then is tugged.
Tugged.
And the last is please.
Please.
ओके, इसके वर्ड मीनिंग्स जल्दी जल्दी देख लेते हैं. ब्यूटीफुल, प्रिटी या लवली.
Beautiful. Pretty or lovely.
यस. नेक्स्ट बैंड, ग्रुप ऑफ म्यूजिशियंस.
Band. Group of musicians.
ओके, म्यूजिशियंस कौन होते हैं? जो म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स प्ले करते हैं.
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बजाते हैं वो म्यूजिशियंस है. बहुत सारे म्यूजिशियंस एक साथ बजाए तो वो बैंड है. नेक्स्ट वुडन, मेड ऑफ वुड.
Wooden. Made of wood.
Yes. Space, place.
Place.
Yes, open space मतलब open place, खुली जगह. Next is shoot, chase away.
Shoot. Chase away.
Okay. Next is leaped, jumped or soared.
Leaped. Jumped or soared.
Okay. Soared का मतलब है ऊपर उड़ना. Okay. Sundari started leaped up this time. यानी she soared up high in the sky. ऊपर उड़ने
Yes.
लगी. Next is tugged.
Tugged.
Pull hard.
Pull hard.
Suddenly.
Suddenly.
With a jerk.
With a jerk.
ओके ये मीनिंग थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, मैं आपको समझा दिया मैंने. वो जो हम काइट उड़ाते वक्त जो ऐसे ऐसे खींचते हैं, वो जो झटका देते हैं, उसको कहते हैं टग. इसका मीनिंग वो ही है. ओके. नाउ द लास्ट इज प्लीज यानी विश.
Please. Wish.
यस, प्लीज का मतलब दूसरा भी मतलब होता है. प्लीज यानी प्लीज गिव मी दिस, आप जब
Request.
रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं. बट हियर द yes, here the meaning is different. As high as I please यानी as high as I wish. यहाँ पे
Yes.
इसका meaning please है. Okay, that's all
Yes.
for this class. I will back to you. Now we have done the new lesson, Sundari. Okay. Now, did you like the lesson? It is a very enjoyable lesson.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I loved it.
And yes, yes. And do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. In that case, we will meet in the next video and we will do something interesting. And that's all for today. Let us end the class with Shanti Path. So please join your hands. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sairam children, take care of yourself. Meet you in the next video.
Sairam, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Sairam.